all of the hens in the penitentiary now have a boyfriend. They've got a rooster. Are you going to crow for us real quick? Show us what you can do. You're so pretty. Look at a close-up of this guy. Well, and I came in a box. Just a cock in a box. Look at these hens going after it. What? Look at all these pretty girls. Y'all are all getting along now, huh? And there's all the horses and the mule and the donkey outside and the cows. Everybody's curious about what's in the penitentiary. We're going to be getting out of here soon, guys. The run will be finished this weekend. You got anything to say, sir? You have a lot to say at 4:30 in the morning.